Okay, so the next field we need to add is our bio, which is going to be pretty straightforward. So let's click the cogwheel and edit panel. We'll click the cogwheel in the right side column and click add content. Let's go to user and we'll select bio. Again, the user that we're referencing is already selected for us because we only have one option. For label, we'll select hidden. For formatter, we'll select default and we'll click continue. Then finish. And our final pane that we want to add is the one that displays the link to the user homepage. So the easy way to do this at this point, because we've created a custom formatter, is simply adding the pane and then using the formatter that we created. So let's do that first. I'm going to click the cogwheel and add content. And if we click on user, and then we click on personal site, the field here, we can hide the label. And then for the formatter, select custom personal page link with username. Again, this is the same custom formatter that we used both in our view and on the user profile page. And I'll click continue and then finish. And I'll click update and save. And if we scroll down, we see our bio and then we see our link. Not bad. Okay, so I told you that I'd show you where the keyword was used when we created the relationship and we set the keyword, where that actually displays in the substitutions. Let me go back and show you that. Here's the cogwheel. We'll click on edit panel. And let's go ahead and click on this node author. I'm going to edit it by hitting the cogwheel and edit. So right now we're using node author as a substitution. If we click on substitutions now though, and we scroll down, you see all of these ones that start with node. But as we keep going, you start to see ones that begin with user. So that's where that keyword comes into play. If we had called it applesauce, it would say applesauce : field/bio. User makes a whole lot of sense for this, but we could have called it anything. And so if we scroll down, we could actually copy username, which is the same as the node author, and scroll up and paste it in here. And we'd end up with the same thing. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click finish. And then update and save. And you see how the title Betty Davis remains the same, even though we're pulling from a different entity.